Just having a really shitty day. Okay, and it's up to me to decide whether I'm going to have a good day or a bad day. So what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. So since I've already decided that it's going to be a good day, I'm only allowed to make good decisions. And I'm going to be distracted by my bad decisions because there's a little voice inside of me that is just seeking for comfort and is playing to my fears. So if I let that voice take over me, I will start making wrong decisions, because to control somebody with fear is the easiest way to control somebody. So I'm not going to give up, and I'm not going to listen to that voice, because what am I truly afraid of? I guess I'm afraid of making shitty content. But I guess I also have to be realistic that maybe my content sucks. I don't know. But there are some people who come and watch my videos, to which I think maybe some people enjoy it. And that actually inspires me to create more content, even though sometimes I feel like I lose the direction to where I'm going. But I know that my ultimate goal is to get better at creating content, and if I make a decision of not making a video, then I'm stuck. Then I have nothing to show, I have nothing to edit, I have nothing. Which is keeping me away from my goal, because if I do nothing, I create nothing, I edit nothing, I post nothing, the end result is nothing. And that is actually very depressing and very sad. But if I do something, I create something, I post something, no matter how bad of a quality I think the video is, I know that at some point over a span of time it's going to be better. And just looking back to my first video, second video, third video, I already feel like I feel so much more comfortable in front of the camera. Of course, there are certain challenges and struggles that I face, but it's okay, because fighting with those fears, challenging myself to get better at handling those struggles and finding certain solutions to certain problems actually puts me ahead of myself. And I think the one mistake I was doing when I was younger was always comparing myself to my ideal self, which didn't exist, doesn't exist. Which is really crippling, because as you live, you constantly compare yourself to your ideal self, which is unrealistic. So you're like kind of always living in your delusions. And why would you do it to yourself? I mean, okay, sometimes you can also compare yourself to other people, which again is so damaging to you, because you will never be able to put yourself in that person's shoes, because you are not them, and you will never have the experience, the network, friends, family, privileges and disadvantages that this person is facing. And you have to accept that you have certain weaknesses and you have certain strengths and privileges that you have to tap into and play to your strengths. And I think another mistake I've always done when I was in my 20s was trying to mask my weaknesses instead of finding what my strengths are and amplifying my strengths, playing to my strengths. Just because I was so insecure about myself, I think I focused so much on my weaknesses, which was really, again, damaging to my mental health and my self-esteem. It's something I still struggle with, but it gets better with time. And it gets better also because I'm becoming more aware of these flaws or, I don't know, mistakes that I've done in my earlier years.